Come, Faison, come.
Him brave no blood fireball, the boy brave.
Come. Mm. Belly full now, you know, come.
You realize I not bother him.
No man, him know that long time man. Let me tell you. He wouldn't come amongst us.
Honestly, make one I can eat and do everything.
Oh,
No man, him real man.
love the
Squeeze
way
him belly man, him real man.
you love the
Spy
way.
animal that.
You think so?
Yeah.
You love the way.
Man say a spy animal. You too brave for them my lad.
Him too, bro.
Yeah, what's a spy guy?
Yeah, them don't know the capacity of love they them carry make him can't do that. We never see that yet be. All them animal lovers them we never see that yet be.
Listen, man.
And we not a dog. You have a dog?
Right?
I wanna.
We don't have a pet by
I look
dog
at.
like
I don't
that.
like we ask him to do it. You know, I like we pet him to do it. You know. The thing not do it half by natural instinct. How that? Him different. I don't know because I not train with training or nothing. We just over here chill, laugh, burn weed, and not chill.
Natural lights man.
Reason about God move. You see? I don't. Yeah.
Feed him, you know. Cause we feed people too.
I guess.
We feed him.
You know. When the creator dwell within the eye, them, you know.
Him dey pan you man.
Yeah. It's a blood class. What the palm you love now?
Record him man. This is a good thing.
Yeah, him up on the stone and we have broke thing and him the right same way.
Oh you have him already?
Nah,
From long time?
Yeah. And then they now moving and we have broke the thing. I broke the walnut. And now move a blood cell. Just did it.
That man. This man.
What do you want?
I'm kind.
You want to look for yourself? Look.
Boy, I jump
Watch
on
this,
everybody.
man.
You don't
Watch
like that super you I look for you, I jump on your face.
Yes.
Boy, jump in your face.
I said, no, boy.
Scratch up your